So here we are. We're looking for this broken city cleanout riser. Um, we're gonna dig up a little bit, see if we can find it. We eventually do. And so basically after we find it, we're just going to confirm that it's only broken at the depth of 1 foot, which we found it at. I'm gonna camera down it, confirm that the entire riser all the way about, I want to say it was about 5-6 feet down to the main line was good to go. So no further issue. After that, we're pretty much just gonna stake, mark it, put a test ball in the riser so no more dirt or any foreign objects can get down in the sewer line. Then we're gonna send it in to the production crew. That way they can come in here and repair the riser and get it ready for that concrete pour. Thanks for watching, guys.